welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to share a remedy that is going to help to tighten, firm the skin. It's also going to hydrate the skin. If you have large pores, this is good for you. I'm using a combination of ingredients that are known to tighten the skin. Ingredients that contains vitamin C that will help to brighten the skin. So if you're looking to tighten the skin, your jawline, your neckline, if you're looking to plump these cheekbones up, to get rid of forehead wrinkles, this recipe is for you. So what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to share the recipe with you, and then I'm going to show you how to use it on your skin for best result. So
our first ingredient is banana, and today we're using an overripe banana. Banana is a natural ingredient that will help to hydrate the skin. It will also help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, such as acne scars, spots, and blemishes. Today I'm using about a quarter of a medium banana, and the first thing I'm going to do is to peel the banana. I'm going to be blending, so I'm going to chop it in small pieces for easier blending. If you do not have a blender, you can go ahead and crush the banana. Now, after chopping the banana, I'm going to place it in my blender, and then I'm going to move on to my next ingredient. Our next ingredient is blueberries, and blueberries is amazing for the skin. It is jam-packed with vitamin and antioxidant, making them an incredible natural skin treatment. It helps to nourish the skin. It also helps to boost collagen production in the skin, plump the skin up. It also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. And if you're looking for a natural glow, if you're looking for fresh, beautiful, bright, clear looking skin, this is the natural remedy for you. So I'm going to take about 8 blueberries and I'm going to place it in the blender along with the banana, and then I'm going to move on to my next ingredient. Now, a good substitute for the blueberry is some blackberry. It contains the same vital properties as the blueberries. You can even try to use some raspberry in this recipe. Now that is out of the way, let's continue. The next ingredient that I'm going to be using is soy milk. However, if you do not have soy milk, you can go ahead and you can use regular milk. Now I'm using the soy milk for its vitamin A properties. Vitamin A also is another rich antioxidant that will help to boost the collagen production in the skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, roll back the ears by getting rid of dull skin, and leaving your skin looking fresh with a natural glow. I'm not going to use a lot of the soy milk. I'm using about a tablespoon of the soy milk. If you're using regular milk, go ahead and use a tablespoon. And now I'm going to pour this in my blender. And before we blend this, guys, I'm going to add one more ingredient to it, and this is some rose water. You can substitute the rose water with some lavender water. You can even choose to use some green tea or substitute the green tea with some coffee in this recipe. Just choose an anti-wrinkle hydrating liquid to use. Now, once this is done, we are going to blend, and we're going to blend well. Now you can still make this recipe if you do not have a blender. Crush both the banana and the blueberry together and then add the soy milk and the rose water, and get a cheesecloth and strain it through the cheesecloth, or you can actually use a strainer and just strain it through the strainer. Now after blending, take a look. Here we have our blended blueberry and banana mixture, and we're going to pour this in a container. Make sure to scoop everything out in your container. Now this recipe, guys, you can choose to use this as is, or you can choose to chill it before you use it. I like to chill it before I apply it on my skin. And the beauty about this recipe, guys, is that you can make it your own. Once you have the base, you can choose to add a little bit of a anti-aging facial oil, like a little bit of a rosehip oil to the mixture. You can even choose to add a little bit of almond oil to the mixture, or you can even choose to add a little bit of a yogurt if you are using milk. Now this is it, guys. This is your anti-aging facial mask. I suggest you store this in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Now to use this, you want to start with clean skin. So you're going to make sure to wash your face the way you normally do. Once your skin is clean, then you're going to use either your hand or a brush to apply this to your skin. Now you want to apply this on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. And once this is done, you are going to leave it on your skin for about 30 minutes. What I like to do with this, guys, I like to basically wash my face with it. So I take a little in my hands, I rub it on my face like I'm, exfoliating my face for about 3 to 4 minutes, focusing on my jaw and also on my forehead. This is even safe to go under your eyes. Don't let it get in your eyes. And then I leave it on my skin for about 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, I just rinse off. It's gonna dry on the skin after 30 minutes. Then you just rinse off and pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare products. This is safe to use every day. You can choose to use this to wash your face every day, or you can choose to use it as a facial mask. You are going to see amazing result once you use this on a regular. So go ahead, wash your face with it every day, and as a facial mask, use it 2 to 3 times per week for best result.
So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, guys. And guys, I am waiting for the comments. So look below in the comment section. Go ahead, comment, 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 comment. And if this is the first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, well, subscribe to the channel. The word subscribe is below. If you click on it, you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.